In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the Taptic Chimes sounds to beds or bells on the Apple Watch 7. So first, let's go back to the home screen by pressing on the crown button on the side. Then on your watch face, press on the crown button again to go into the app screen. And in here, tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility. Next, go down and tap on chimes, and then on the last option tap on sounds. In here you can select bells or beds, select one of the two options, and then you can tap on the back key to go back to settings. Press on the crown button to go back to your app screen, or press on it again to go back to the watch face. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.